it. So let us start with the problems now. Exercise 3, the first problem is you have 4 subtopics, divisions here. So we'll start one by one. So the first problem. So the 50% of x minus y is equal to 30% of x plus y, then what percentage of x is y? So this, you can see here, what I have written is 50%, that means 50 by 100. As I said, percentage is always replaced by 100. Off is replaced by, multiplication. And then within the bracket, this is given equal to. Of course, here it is given as equal to, but if it is given as is, then I had to replace that by equal to. 30% of x plus y. And now you can solve it directly. Like you can cancel this and try to solve. Then you know that finally what you get here is x equal to 4y. So when you get x equal to 4y, what you can do here is try to keep this constant term as x value and this constant term whatever you have as y value. So let x is equal to 4 and y equal to 1. So what percentage of x is y? That's what is the question is. What percentage of x is y? So you know what is x, what is y. So replace the values. So what you can do here is you can just replace the values as, let me write down here, what percentage of x is y. So what percentage of what is x we have taken here? 4 is 1. Just you are replacing the values 4 and 1. So here when you do 4 and 1, you can see that you replace this value. What percentage of x is y? So what do you have to do here? When I say what percentage of x is y, you have to replace what as something. Okay, x is already given, so we'll keep some other values. W. Percentages divide by 100. Of is multiplication. X is nothing but equal to y. Of course, these two values I'm going to write as 4 and 1. So w into 4, that's what is mentioned here. Okay. We can just take it here. W into 4 by 100 equals 1. So what is W? 25. You bring this one to this side, or 4 by 100 is 1 by 25. This goes this side is 25. So that is what is mentioned here. Next problem. A is 40% greater than B, and B is what percentage lesser than A. So here we can see that the first thing is write down, there are 2 sentences given here. A is 40% greater than B and B is what percentage lesser than A. So here we can just take this one separately. First sentence as A is 40% greater than B and replace A is equal to 40% greater than B. That means you need to add this 40% of B to B. So that's why I'm taking the entire B here and then 40% of B and then adding it. That's the meaning of it. So here, when you do this, you're going to get this as 0.4B plus B is nothing but 1.4B. And now the question is, B is what percentage lesser than A? So you know that for this, when we have this B is what percentage lesser than A, again the same as the percentage increase and decrease what we have seen there. So you're going to take the difference of these two values in the numerator. Denominator is going to be your reference value, and in this case the reference value is after then whatever comes your, that becomes your reference. After then whatever you have is called reference. So B is what percentage lesser than A. So after then you have A here. So that will come in the denominator. So please be clear with this one. That is, you have to take the difference of the two in the numerator divided by the reference value, and the reference is nothing but after then whatever comes. This is a trigger word. After then whatever comes is going to be your reference value. So that is going to come in the denominator. So A will come in the denominator. So now you have taken this A equal to 1.4B. So just replace A equal to 1.4B and keep the B as such divided by again A equal to 1.4B. So when you solve this, you're going to get this as 2 by 7, which is nothing but 28.57. So this also can be done in the other alternate method. So alternate method is assuming the values. So let us just see this one. So here the other method is like 40% is given here. So blindly I'm just taking that 40% in terms of fraction, that is 2 by 5. So here, okay, that's what is explained here again. So here, the minute you get this, you just have to see which is your reference here. So after then, whatever comes is a reference. So in this case, in the first problem, B becomes your reference. So B has to be assumed whatever you have in the denominator or any multiple of that. So we are going to assume now B is equal to 5. That is the reference, whatever you have taken, that one you have to consider and give a value for that. So we are going to take the denominator of the percentage, whatever we are taken, the denominator value is going to be taken as the reference value. So here 5 is there, I'm taking this as 5. And now given that A is 40% greater than that, so 40% in fraction is 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 of B plus B. So B already we have taken as 5, therefore 2 by 5 of 5 is 2 plus 5. So it's going to be 7. So now you have taken the values, A is 7 and B is 5. It's easy to now find out like B is what percentage lesser than A. So B value what we have taken here is 5. A value what you have taken here is 7. And now you can replace. 5 is what percentage lesser than 7. So the difference of the two value. After then what you have is 7. So that should come in the denominator into 100. So that is 28.57%.